Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying ownership through Google's recovery flow. Go to the account sign-in page and choose Forgot Password. Enter the account email, then follow prompts to receive a code via recovery phone or email. If prompted, provide the last password you remember. This helps Google confirm it's your account. Use a device and location you frequently signed in from. Google weighs familiar devices higher. Once done, proceed to the next verification challenges presented on screen. Next, complete the verification steps Google asks for. These vary by account. If you set up two-step verification, open your Authenticator app or approve the prompt on your phone. Enter any codes received by SMS or recovery email. If asked, supply the month and year the account was created or the last password you recall. These details increase success. If you have backup codes or a recovery key, use them now. Make sure to move methodically through each prompt until recovery advances. Finally, when Google accepts your verification, choose a new strong password and confirm it. Use a long passphrase or password manager to generate and store it safely. Once reset, immediately review recovery phone and email, update security questions if present, and enable two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. If the recovery flow fails, follow Google's guided support options and try again after verifying details, sometimes waiting 48 to 72 hours, and trying from a familiar device increases success. Troubleshoot by checking spam and device settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.